my channel. If you're new here, my name is Latinica. If you're oldie, thanks for coming back. So, yeah, I went to go get some more mirrors, but they do not have none in stock right now. I went to one Family Dollar and I went to one Walmart. Neither one of them have it. Now, I could have went and searched for it, but I just didn't feel like doing all that. So I'm just put what I got for right now. And then, you know, when I find some more mirrors, I'll put them up. But for right now, this is what I'm on. I'm doing, I got a mirror on in my bedroom. They got on bait. We got on bait. Just to let y'all know, I have been slacking when it comes to going to the gym. But I promise, when I start working from home, I will be back in the gym. She got on bait. I could have brought it. Now. See, they're gonna be that high. Because it's only 3. And I want to go a little bit higher. And it's just me being me. Now, I ain't got no more mirrors left. So, that's how I'm gonna go potty. Because I said I need to buy 2 and 2. Oh, fuck me. Yeah, that would have brought 10 with me. Highly furious. When I say highly furious, highly fucking. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, and I just left the grocery store, of course. Now, I look a fucking mess today. Look at my hair. Look what I got on. But I don't care. Took my glasses off. I need to put these things on. Almost done with my mirror. I had to go to Walmart and get some more sticky tape. Don't mind my bedroom. Got this one put up and then we're done. Then we're done. Then we're done. So, let's see. So, I don't know what I may have done with the nails to hang up my stuff over there. But I do have the nails here. So I'm like, not sure what's out over here. Cause I know this is to like the kitchen. I have some more stuff. This is the kitchen stuff. Alright, so let's take this stuff out. Okay, we're gonna put this right here. So I'm gonna know it's all in here. Tablecloths. We got all this outlet. These are candles. Well, I can most definitely use this. Oh. Christmas wrap. Christmas wrap. Okay. This is the pillows. Okay. Okay, this is not really. This was a thing that I used last year. Okay, well, that's not gonna work out. But I can reglue that back on there. My bows. My bows. My bows. My bows. My bows. Y'all see this? Look at that. Y'all remember that? Ooh, look. Like, I could really sell this type of shit for the ha 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 ha. Whoa. Whoa, I can really sell this high. I can really sell it. Look at it. I did that. Me. It's hot. Woo, hot. Okay. That is the hardest part. That's the hardest fucking part. Doing that shit right there. It's hot. I told y'all I be on bullshit. So I hung that up. Put this up. Look at the house. I still ain't did the tree, but I'm about to go ahead and do it. It is 3 o'clock. I got up at 10 o'clock. I should have been through. But I'm about to get there now. For show, for show. because y'all know I want some height on my tree, I have to stick it in this box because I'm not just gonna buy a whole new tree. This is not gonna happen. So this is called improvising. That's what we're doing. Right. All right, y'all. So I've been supposed to do this tree for quite some time. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm about to get ready to make me some chicken and rice. I've never made it before, but we're gonna make it today. But before I start, I want to put some cookies in the cookie jar. These are cookies. Wash my hands. I for sure should have got some freaking napkins. I don't know why I didn't. I don't know why I didn't. She don't know why she didn't. Yeah. They normally put them on top of each other, but I ain't gonna do all that, so. Let me just put them in here. They broke.
looks can be deceiving. Tell me, am I your type? My main goal is to please you. What's on the schedule tonight? Not the reason you'll be treated. I hope you have an appetite. So tell me, will you come and spend the night? My love is like, whoa. My kiss is like, whoa. My sex is like, whoa. My ass is like, whoa. My body's like, whoa. And you're kissing it, so what you think of it? Whoa. My love is like, whoa. My kiss is like, whoa. My touch is like, whoa. My sex is like, whoa. My ass is like, whoa. My body's like, whoa. And you're kissing it, so what you think of it? When will you come through? Come through, 'cause I'll be waiting up right here. Can you bring some Belvedere? Baby, won't you bring so we can pop the cork and cheers? Please have no fear. Yeah. I just wanna love you right. I hope you have an appetite. So baby, will you come and spend the night? My love is like, whoa. My kiss is like, whoa. My touch is like, whoa. My sex is like, whoa. My ass is like, whoa. My body's like, whoa. And you're kissing it, so what you think of it? Whoa. My love is like, whoa. My kiss is like, whoa. My touch is like, whoa. My sex is like, whoa. My ass is like, whoa. My body's like, whoa. And you're kissing it, so what you think of it? Me, yeah. Hold me up, my taste it.
Show y'all my mirror wall too, because I don't think I really just got to show y'all how it turned out. But I ordered these right here from Temu, the little lights. Don't mind my bed, y'all. I'm doing a lot of decorating around the house still. I know I look like a mess, but hey, it is what it is. And I can take these off. You just pull them off like that. They're metal. Put them back on there. I like that. And then it does. Well, I don't know what I did with the remote. Oh, here's the remote. It does come with a remote. Let's see. What is this? Off. They go on. Up. On. Then off. And off. Yeah. Cute. Hey y'all, so I literally just got home from work. I look a mess. I had stopped at the dollar store. And I came home to my package. These shoes that I ordered to wear. I don't know if y'all gonna see like the little, I might put it on the little package that I got. I'm like, I don't know if Amazon is doing packages like that now or what, but they had my shoes working. These are just a New Balance. I hope the shoes go with, ooh, they do go with my outfit. They're gonna go as good as they can go. So I got it to go. Cause I'm going out tomorrow. And well, not tomorrow, Wednesday. Thanksgiving Eve, and we went to a little bar, like a little bar club that everybody goes to. It's called Greedy's. So I needed some shoes, so I just bought me some shoes. And then I'm slobbing. Hopefully I can wear these motherfuckers. Because I said teen and women. Okay. I think I can wear them. Yeah. Because if I couldn't, guess what? Yeah, I was going to be upset. I'm going to be upset if I couldn't. I locker room. Make my feet look small too. These are New Balances. I think they were like $60. Yeah. Yeah. Hey y'all, so today is Tuesday. It's the day before Thanksgiving Eve, and I'm at home about to relax my edges and do something to my hair because I look a mess. So I already started making the perm. Somebody was texting. Only thing I ever perm is my edges. You know, because I keep letting y'all know I'm a black girl. I got good hair, but they need these edges. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put a little rinse on. This rinse actually helped my dandruff, I think. So I'm putting rinse on. I'm not gonna put too much on because my hair is not really jet black. So I'm gonna try to put some on my hair too after I get through with everything. Then I'm gonna lightly blow dry it, and then I'm gonna roll it, flexi rod it, and we're gonna be done. I was supposed to go to my cousin's house and let her curl my hair, but by the time I get on this side of town, it's gonna be late, and I gotta be on the other side of town, so I'm not gonna do all that. He did. So we finna go ahead and start on my head, cause I ain't got no day. It's already late, and y'all know I gotta go to work in the morning. I'll be glad when I start working from the house, cause your girl is tired of getting out of my bed at 5:30, 5:45, 5:50, 6, or 6:10. Like, those are times that I have been getting up. Different times. Because, like, I've been working with different people, so I have to be on their time frame. I'm ready to be at home and come from my own bed. I'm ready to go back to the gym. I'm ready to get back on schedule to work out. I'm ready to get back on schedule to eat proper. I'm just so ready to get back on schedule. Anyway, we're about to do my hair. We're gonna do a little fast forward because I like fast forward. I think it's cute, you know, so we're gonna do that. See you in a second. All right, guys, so I just got off work and I'm on my way home. I'm trying to rush because I need to go get ready because I'm going out tonight. And y'all, I'm so excited to go out because I have not seen my friends in so long. Like, I don't know how long it's been since I've seen my friends. Like, literally, I think it's been like damn near 5 or 6 months since I saw them. Like, no fucking lie. Okay, I'm gonna say like 4 months. Probably long. Like, seriously, I haven't saw my friends in a long time. So, why you driving fast, bitch? So I'm really excited to see them and get to hang out. Period. So when I get home, I'll hit y'all back because, yeah, I'm driving like a... I ain't driving like no bit out of here because, first of all, I drive good. And it's never that serious. But, yeah, I'm just letting y'all know that. I'm literally at home getting ready. So I'm dressed. I don't know if y'all can see my look because it's kind of dark in my room. So let me go to the kitchen. So this is the look. Just a little two-piece little skim dupe from Amazon. Look, New Balance. Yeah. It's not black. It's actually, it's a... I don't know, I'm trying to show y'all my feet, but I like it. It's comfortable. I mean, I got on extra clothes that I probably didn't have to put on, but I put them on because, you know, I like to be tight. My hair is probably gonna poof up because it feels kind of big, but whatever. I was waiting on my sister to come, but she's not here, so I'm about to go. I'll turn the Christmas lights on for her though. Or whatever. So right there. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up.
No shit. Hold up. I'll be here forever. You know I'm on my phone.
Alright. I'm about to go. Okay. I got on earrings. Looks like I need some big ones on. Alright. No. Is okay? Okay.
Shit you gotta deal with.
Yeah, that's why I don't come out because it's fucking cold. I'm standing outside in the line. It's cold.
Hit the scene, I'm first in the motherfucker. Swear to God, I didn't get a holy. I don't care about the rap money, I'ma get the trap money. Bun still quick like a whole brick. I be with the shit, so I'ma do a couple things, make sure the money add up, make sense. Yeah, I'll pop a nigga, drop a nigga, rob a nigga, stop a nigga, dud a nigga, butt a nigga. I don't give a fuck by the niggas. Let's be clear. Diamonds that I got up in my ear, stay down for a whole damn year. Let's be clear. I am not one of them, hustle like none of them. Let's be clear. I am that ball fucker. Go off in this motherfucker. Yeah, you a sucker nigga, fuck a nigga, let a nigga be a nigga. I don't wanna see a nigga, duck nigga, kill a nigga.
No.
Get the works with this.
Why did give me my money back in? Give me it. Because I could have sworn that the meal is going to be $5 and 25 or 35 cents, right?
What about me?
Get your ass a bundle. And all you got to do is put the change on there. He going to say, oh, you want to pay $10? And he goes,
This is just giving broke. I'm not doing no split payment at no McDonald's.
so give me the money.
No, you're going to send me some more.
I'm not sending you a bitch ass thing because you got some money in your checking account.
No, listen, while we talking, she always crying how I never get her enough for her birthday.
She didn't. She never do. I didn't give you something for 1 year, and then she been asking me, talking about, can you send me $20 for Chipotle?
I said $10. She said $20.
Then what else you asked me for? You asked me for something else.
What?
You asked me for something else, and you was like, oh, because I got to pay. I said something. I was like, something with your bill. I was
Kid, wasn't my oil change high? Wasn't that oil change high?
It was like $40.
Bro said,
I hate you.
Kenneth, bro said my account went in an overdraft.
No, right? I had negative $28.
Because I had to get the maintenance on my car fixed, right? I said
that oil change was $88.
Wow. So now how much do your checks be?
I just said my check was little.
No, how much do your checks be? Not little. How much do your checks be?
Normally like $800.
How much was your check?
$400.
Wow. And you didn't have no money.
From 4 compared to 8 to 4.
That people don't even girls that work your age when they work 2 weeks. That's how much they check be $400. They check gonna be $800 every 2
Well,
weeks.
mine be pushing a band sometimes.
They will.
This motherfucker crazy. They gonna talk about where the rest of the money at. Wow, how much you got in that savings?
Why is you talking about my finances?
Yeah, let me see the savings. That's what I thought. Bring your ass and let me see that savings.
My savings is like $1,000.
Okay. This motherfucker said, I don't have no money in my account. I said, how much? I was gonna say that. She thought I was gonna be like, okay, I'll send it. Girl, if you get your fucking money out your fucking
And my
savings
sister
account.
making what I've got in my savings every 2 weeks. Why not just get yours? Why do I have to use mine?
Because I have bills.
I give you money too.
I have bills. You gave me, girl, get the fuck out of here. This bitch done took me out to eat twice and gave me
No, I
$120.
took you out more times than twice. On the border, Texas Roadhouse.
If you can count them, that's bad.
Damn, I just turned 20. What? She act like she not 17 years older than me. Of course we gonna do more.
And you gonna put $2 with that goddamn food.
Girl, I know I have to, because you just don't understand the concept.
The meal
What is it?
is $5 tonight.
What about my food?
What the fuck is you gonna order? What are you gonna order?
How am I gonna get the same thing?
Add $1 to it.
How am I gonna add $1? I don't got cash.
Go look. It's 75 cents.
Oh hell no!
Tonight it's 75
I'm
cents
not
on there.
doing that.
So you can't give them people $10.75.
What do I look like going to dig in some change?
It's some quarters up here.
Oh my gosh. This is just ridiculous.
Girl, you fucking crazy. I just
Y'all
want
see
you to know.
what the economy is doing to these people? They don't even want to get a sister $2 extra. Like,
Mark, you got a lot.
Hey, mama. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. I just like Twinkie.
I call her pork chop. I'm the only person that call her pork chop.
Hey, Twinkie.
Look who your feet thing. Get your
Hey, Jesus is Jesus.
what's Jose?
Jose, girl.
No, Joe did.
No.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, why my best friend was trying to dress like me, but she really trying to outdress me today. But it's okay. It's okay.